Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm gonna do a quick weave. I have two bundles, a 18-inch and a 22-inch. So we're going to glue them to the stocking cap. It's already on my head. I already prepped my hair. I'm gonna do a center part. Today is Saturday the 28th of February 2026, so stay tuned. So I'm gonna spray this even to protect my ear. I'm gonna spray this even on. Two stocking cap I'm using. So this is the glue that I'll be using. This is the glue. And this is a quick weave, so this won't take much time. This won't take much time. So I'm just measuring the tracks. So I can cut them to fit. Ooh.
No, that's one so good. Mommy, download this. We download this for tomorrow.
Yeah, I'm vlogging now. So we're going to repeat. We are going to repeat the same procedure. Just measuring the hair. Cut. Repeating the same procedure. It's just basically repeating the same procedure. So just stay tuned and watch. It's not hard. It's not hard to do your own hair. Anything you put your mind to. I've been doing my hair from I was about 15 years old. I was braiding my own hair, doing quick weaves and such like that. So I'm used to it. Doing my own hair is not a problem. I only go to the hairdresser when I'm lazy, because I can do my own hair. The other bundle, I hope this style can last me for about two weeks. Quick and easy. Quick and easy. Very quick and easy. It's like a sewing, but it's more quicker and easier than a sewing. This is a quick weave. This is more quicker and easier. Hard hectic day. I've done so much laundry. I was tired, but then when I have a bath, I said I'm gonna do my hair. I was gonna install a wig, but I changed my mind and said I'm gonna do a quick weave, because it's always wigs, so I'm just giving the wigs a break. So I'm going with a quick weave this time. I hope this video is helping someone that needs to do their hair but has a low motivation. Nothing try, nothing done. Anything you put your mind to, you can do it. Okay? Never tell yourself that you can't. Anything that you put your mind to, you can and you will. You will. You can and you will. It's like I'm cutting my hair. Oops. You have to be careful with this part because it's like I'm cutting my ear out. Oh my god. Oops. Because I didn't get my hair clean, I just doing it like this. It's like I'm cutting out my ear because I sprayed it even. So when you're doing it, guys, I would advise you to get your hair cane. I don't cane my hair because my hair is short. So I just brush it down and spray it even. I'm just gonna cut off this excess cap. This is what it's giving, so we're going to just I could have let it stay for until I reach up, but I'm just gonna cut off. As I said, you have to be very careful. With this part. Oh my god. Actually cut me ear. Cut that. Actually cut out the track. Oh Lord. Better the track than my ear. It's better the track than my hair. It's better the track than my hair, so going to go up in the light and show you guys when I'm going to flat iron my hair to blend my hair with the weave. So this is what it's giving. This is what it's giving. This is what it's giving. I absolutely love how it turned out. It's giving exactly what I want it to give. I should have used a fine flat iron, but I'm not gonna bother to plug that in right now, so I'm just gonna use this one, even though I know this one is not for right here, but I'm just gonna use this one to sleep my edges in. I absolutely love it. I like how it turned out. I love it. I absolutely love how it turned out. Ooh, it's very hot, so you have to be careful when doing this part. I have a finer flat iron, but I'm not going to worry plugging that one. Like, as I'm using this one, I'm just gonna continue. Guys, when you're doing a quick weave, you have to be careful of spraying the spray on this part of your hair. I use the heat and it's very strong. When it holds your hair, it's very, very strong, so you have to be careful of when you're using the even or the guts to be. You have to be very careful. I absolutely love it. Turned out to be so nice. You want to do this flat and nice. Yeah. Ooh. Some condition water and wet it up. The conditioner. Can I buy me to see conditioner for me, please? Wigs take my edges, so I don't have much edges. Yeah, so
try one more time. I hope at least this time I manage to destroy him. Okay, I'm shooting at him. Right now, that would be very surprising. No. Excellent, Mickey. I destroyed him.
if I had a curler, I would have put some curls in it. But I don't have a curler. So this is what it's giving. So this is what it's given. I hope you guys like it. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. Comment and tell me how you think I do. This is it. Quick weave. Until next time. Bye.